And it says this. I want to get this to you. It says, now we know that the evil person that rules this sector, they're called the demiurge. Called the demiurge is headed by this devil called Adalabra, who is a subordinate deity posing as God, who sets over all organized religions. If your God consists of worshiping, you are worshiping him. If you pray to an objective entity, your energy is going to him. If you espouse love, in the generic term, your love goes to him and it makes it stronger. Now let's explain this to you. I've read to you in Gershom Schröder's Kabbalah, which the big prophet out of Tel Aviv, which explains it so profoundly, that God is all potential of nothingness, but he only manifests through man, the acting agent of God. It's like to say that God is this big ball of nothingness. You see what I'm saying? But it's unmanifest. But from the nothing you get the absolute, but the absolute is you. So that means there is no such thing as God outside of looking in your damn self. There is a God, but the concept of God, of the all creator you worshiping outwardly and bowing down and being submissive to, is a Adalabra, another subordinate deity, that if you're looking up in the sky, he rules that area. Because the real kingdom is down here on earth. Right. And your God is up under the ground. Right. Which you say is the damn devil. That's Osiris. Which is a form of you being on the ground. The kingdom is on earth. Right. Now the key is your concept of God as a deity that you worship outside of getting to know your God self and all the attributes of your God self is the devil. So all the people in church, the mosque, the synagogue are actually worshiping this deity because they worship a God outside. It's a thought pattern we're talking about here. A subjective entity. The God of the crossroads. That's who you are. But if you do it and turn it around, you can be worshiping the devil in the form of worshiping God. And most people's concept of God is the devil. I'm going to go deep into this in a few minutes. We're going into the Gnostic thing.